We continued. The AC, the group interview follow. Occasionally, you may be invited to a group interviews so that your interviewers can interview more candidates at once and so they can get a better sense of how you interact with other people. The trick to assessing these interviews is to be able to assertive enough to still give your interviewer sense of who you are while also showing that you are considered towards other and can work well team. Don't try to put down other interviewer in order to make yourself look good. Instead, be kind and supportive towards them while making clear that you are the best confident candidate for the job. If there are group activities during the interview, try to take leadership position while make sure you are not boss and do not keep the other interviewers from the contributing. There are 10 tips to improve your interview performance. So there are 10 tips I give or practice for any interview go. So practice good non-verbal communication first. Can practice non-verbal communication. So practice a good non-verbal communication. It is about demonstrating confidence, standing straight, make eye contact, connecting with firm handshake. This first non-verbal impression can be great beginning or quick ending to your interview. Dress for the job or company. Today, a casual dress code do not give you permission to dress as they do when you interview. It is important to know what we wear to any interview and to be well groomed. Whether you wear a suit or something less formal depending upon the company, culture and the position you are seeking. If possible, call to find out about the company dress code before the interview. Listen. One of the most crucial interview tips, listen. From the very beginning of the interview, your interviewer is given you information either directly or indirectly. If you are not hearing it, you are missing a major opportunity. A good communication skill include listening and letting the person know you heard what was said. Observe your interviewer and match that style and pace. Do not talk too much. Telling the interviewer more than he need to know could be fatal mistake. Common. When you have not prepared ahead of time, you may ramble when answering interview questions. Sometimes taking yourself right out of the job. Prepare for interview by reading through the job posting, matching your skill with the position requirements and relating only that information. Do not be too familiar. The interview is a professional meeting to a talk business. This is not about making a new friends. Your level of familiarity should be mimic the interviewer's demeanor. It is important bring energy and enthusiasm to the interview and ask question, but do not overstep your place as candidate look for the job. Use appropriate language. It's a given. Use appropriate language. It is a given that you should use professional language during the interview. Be aware of any inappropriate slang words or reference to age, race, religions, politics, or sexual orientation. This topic could be sent your out the door very quickly. Do not be cocky. Attitude play a key Attitude plays a key role in your interview success. There is a fine balance between confidence, professionalism, and modesty. Even if you are putting on a performance to be demonstrate your overconfidence is ability. Overconfidence is as bad, if not worse, as being too reserved. All the interviewer tips in the world would not save you if you come off an unpleasant to work with. Take care to answer the questions. When interviewer asks for an example of a time when you did something, they are asking behavioral interview questions which are designed to elicit a sample of your past behavior. If you fail to relate a specific example, you not only do not answer the questions, but you also miss an opportunity to prove your ability and talk about your skill. Ask questions. When asked if there are any questions, most candidates answer no. Wrong answer. It is a wrong answer. Part of knowing how to interview is being ready to ask questions that demonstrate in an interest in what goes on in the company. Asking questions also gives you the opportunity to find out if this is the right place for you. The best question come from listening to what you are asked to do during the interview and asking for additional information. Do not appear desperate. Do not appear desperate. When you interview with a please, please hire me, approach your appear desperate and less confident. Reflect the three C's during the interview. Cool, three C's. This is very important in the interview. You can follow this others be interviewer. Three C's: cool, calm, and confidence. There are three C's in the interview. Another is bonus tip for your answer. You know you can do the job. Make sure the interviewer believes you can too. One way to do this is by preparing well thought out answering to the questions they are most likely to ask. Need some help with that? As member, you will get interview tips, career advance, and job search insight sent directly to your inbox so you can some across a strong visible candidate. Some of the following: the following tips are beneficial for the candidate preparing for interview. The beneficial preparing for an interview. Research. It is important to research the company and the position for which the application is made before going for an interview. The most frequent questions asked in an interview are: what do you know about this company? Or why do you want to work in this position? One can search about the company on the internet, look up their annual report, competitors, history, management, etc. The knowledge also help in talking the others questions better. Preparation. The nervousness about an interview lessness considerably by practicing probable interview questions by oneself or asking someone else to help. Also, the interview attire should be decided beforehand and it must be neat, tidy, and proper for the particular job and the company. Punctuality. punctuality is considered to be one of the most predominant qualities which describe the sincerity and attitude of a person. Hence, it is advisable to arrive 15-20 minutes early than the scheduled time, which also help in calming the nerves of the candidate. Also, it is an advantageous if the interview is scheduled in the morning, as the later it is, the more nerves one can get. The first impression. The phrase first impression is the last impression hold true for every job interview. So it is of utmost importance to give a positive impression of one even before the interview start. The attitude of the candidate as he walk in, the confidence in his stride, the way he greet the employer, the body language as the interview starts, everything is instrumental in creating a good first impression upon the employer. The positive and calmness. Complaining about the previous employer or companies implies a negative attitudes of the candidates and give an impression of the irresponsibility and disloyalty. These should be avoided at any cost. Also sharing personal problem or complaining about the economy of the state or country is not advisable. A candidate need to stay calm and composed while answering the questions. He can take some time before answering the questions which seem to him. This help him to compose an answer in his mind before speaking out, and thus he respond more effectively. Some key questions. There are some key questions which are usually asked in most interview, like what are your strength and weakness? Why do not think we should be hire you? Why did you leave your last job? And others. The list of the common questions asked in interview is easily available on internet, and a candidate should be prepared for these questions beforehand. Asking questions. The candidate should become prepared with some of his own questions which will be demonstrated is internet, in the job and the company. Asking the right questions strategically also manifests the intelligence and analytical skill, research and assertiveness of the candidate, and can be instrumental in impressing the employer. Last, the follow-up. The most overlooked step of an interview is following up after an interview. Immediately after the completion of the interview, one should sit down and write all the questions that were asked, or as he can remember, and then try to evaluate his answer to these questions. This gives him an idea about the performance. The next day, a note of thanks can be sent to the employers for granting him the interview. During the interview, it's advisable to ask the employer about the commencement of the hiring process, so that after the expected time has passed, he can call and inquiry. Sometimes the hiring process can take longer than expected, but the phone call can emphasize the candidate interest in the job. Okay, dear student, you are also preparing for the interview, so keep in your mind of these following steps, or what are the beneficial of before interview, preparing interview. So please you learn what, ask your questions or rehearsal in your home or in your college or in your anywhere for the going before going for interview. What are the asking for interview, what are the questions asking in interview will be prepared, will be know before. So also some body language in your college. So I hope you better to prepare for your career interview. Thank you, students.